What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video, and today we are going to be shooting on my quad, driving it and trying to be hitting this apple. And I'm going to try to do it. I'm going to try to hit it, but it's going to be pretty hard. And I'm going to be going down here, coming back and try to shoot it. So yeah, and I'm going to be testing two guns, pistol and sniper, and I want to see which one is more accurate and if I can hit the apple with the other or this one. So yeah, let's get into it. So both guns I'm going to do three shots, and if I don't hit it or I hit it, then yeah, guess it's a good gun. So let's go. Alright, we're gonna turn around. Alright, we're gonna be, oh wow, that's not bad. I think I missed. Yeah, I think I missed there. Alright. Alright, let's it's my first shot. Second attempt. If I can hit this apple. Like, this is crazy. How do they shoot like a, I don't know, 50-pound gun on a, like a, maybe a tank or maybe like a military car? That's insane. I don't know how they do that, but yeah. They're just pretty good, they have pretty good aim maybe. But yeah, let's go. Second attempt. Oh! I missed. That sucks. Alright. Let's reload it. Let's go. This is gonna be my third attempt, last attempt, and if I can't hit it, big deal. We have another gun, so, you know, yeah. I'm not sure, but I think I hit it. I think. Let's see. I'm not sure. I might have hit it on the side of the apple. Let's go check. Oh, I did! Dude! Nah! That's crazy! Oh, that's my other shot. I missed. But that's crazy. I barely nicked it there. Just boom. That's crazy. So we hit it. So it is 3 out of 1 attempts. You can hit your target with this pistol. Not bad. Now, as you see, I have the sniper here. So yeah, let's see if this is better. Maybe. Okay, let's pump her up. All right, it's locked and loaded. All right. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but we'll try something out. Oh, this might speed up, and yeah. second attempt. Oh my God, I almost dropped it. My brother. Come on, let's go. Yeah. There we go. Again. Oh, I hit it. Nice. I didn't hit the apple though. That's my second attempt. So right now, I'm going to do my third attempt. So yeah, let's try to hit it right now. Hopefully. All right. My third attempt. If I hit this, then yeah. We're gonna redo the third attempt here. I don't know what happened. I don't know why, but maybe it didn't. I don't know. It didn't shoot. I don't even know why, but it did not shoot at all. That is weird. All right, let's redo third attempt. So basically fourth, whatever. We're gonna try to hit this target. Like, I don't even know how the people in the military hit these shots. It better come soon. Missed again. Well, I guess, guys, the pistol has better aim than the sniper. But yeah. So I hit it right through. But yeah, I hit it right there. Just let you know what it looks like. I think oh yeah, it went right through. This is the hole right there. It went right through that, went through that, and went through there. Well, that's nice. But yeah, anyways, that is it. If you want to subscribe or hit the bell and like this video, make sure you do that. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. See you in the next one.